Hi everybody, welcome to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chance.
I'm Chris.
And today, we're at the Classic Cars of South Carolina.
That's right. This is basically a car dealership of antique cars. They've got everything from clear back in the 20s to muscle cars and a few things from the 80s, 90s, and even the early 2000s. So we're going to do a little walk around here. We got permission from the owner, Ron, to basically walk around, take a look at some of the cars, and check things out. Excited?
Yep. This place is already looking cool.
Yeah, let's get started wandering around. Let's start over here. We got to look at the '69 Camaro for Grandpa. This Malibu's pretty neat. Got a Bel Air.
Is this the same color Grandpa had his?
Yeah. The SS 396.
Does it look the exact same?
'57 Thunderbird.
Do you think this is the exact same one Grandpa had?
No, his was a Z28.
What's this one?
So it would have said Z28 right there instead of SS.
I wonder if they have a Rolls Royce here.
Yeah, that's kind of interesting. It's a shell for AC Cobra.
Look at this. Wheels look new.
His wheels look new?
Uh-huh.
No, they're the original wooden wheels.
No, when I say new by paint.
Oh.
Can I sit in here?
Chevrolet.
Dad, can I sit in here?
It says it's a 1926 Chevrolet.
Can I sit in here? It feels padded. It's cool. Seat's not very comfy. But that's because it's probably an old seat.
Ford Fairlane. I don't think I've ever seen a Chrysler DeSoto before. Well, that's one way to get white walls. Just paint them. This Mustang here looks pretty good.
Dad, look at this! Come here, come here, come here! Dad! Look! Look at this! Police car! Police car! Dad, it's a police car!
Oh, yeah.
What's the R stand for?
It's just the R for Ford.
Can we open it? Can we open it? What's this?
You just push the button.
Is it gonna fall off?
I like this.
Dad's
I like
the door.
this tractor.
Is the door gonna fall off?
No, it's just not shut all the way.
I think it's locked. Is it locked?
Might be. Either that or you're not pushing the button at all. Nah.
But he said we could open up the doors. Did he lock them all? I'm gonna get in here.
This Camaro
Dad, I'm
about
gonna
had
get in
it.
here. Dad,
Why do you want to get in there?
look how cool it is.
Buick Skylark.
Let's see if we can open up this Dodge. Or do you think it'll go off? Dad, do you think this will go off since it's a more of a newer car?
I might skip the newer cars.
Why? Because they could actually go off?
Possibly.
What year did they start making cars that were able to go off? Look at this, Dad.
57.
I think they're all locked. Can this door unlock? Can this door unlock?
That's one tired Corvette.
Would this car go off, or is this old enough?
I don't know.
Hey, this could
What
open.
year Lincoln
There's
that
not no
is?
lock hole.
Continental 3.
Is that grass?
Galaxy 500.
Oh, it's one of these 60 vans. Hey, it's Elvis's
Barracuda.
car. Dad, I found Elvis's car.
That's all. Oh, it's because it's purple?
Pink. It's because it's pink.
I thought Don Johnson
Look at
owned
this
all the
Dad, look at
Barracudas.
this Volkswagen.
Starter.
Found one.
Oh, Volkswagen bus. You scared something's going to leap out at you?
No, I heard a buzzing noise.
Yeah, somebody got the VW emblem off the front.
The what?
Somebody got the VW emblem off the front.
Dang it. Take a look at this. It stinks in here. Smells like old.
Smells like what?
Smells like it's old in here. This is $4 grand.
67 Chevy.
It's hot in there. It's hot in there. That one can't open because it doesn't have a handle. Is this car new?
Look, it's like the Bantam Chef.
Dad, is this car new? Can I open it?
Newer, yeah. Look, it's like the one that, remember when we went to the Bantam Chef?
Yeah. That's that one where I got the bubble thing.
Yeah.
I like that one. Look at this, it's an airplane.
66 Mustang. Look at this. I'm going to learn on you something. See how this Mustang only has 4 lugs on the wheel?
Yeah.
Well, it means it's a 6-cylinder car. If it's got 5, it means it had a V8.
Is yours a V8?
Mine was originally a 6-cylinder, and I converted it to a V8, and I switched all the wheels and everything over. Put bigger brakes on it. Chance a shoebox.
This looks like the exact same thing that was back there.
What?
Looks like the thing that was back
That's
there.
the only shoebox we've seen so far. This one's a 2-door sedan, though. We want the coupe. Air conditioning unit. Man, that hood's heavy. Two-spoke steering wheel.
I'm hot.
You gotta get one of these.
I'm gonna try to find it.
Man, that one's heavy too.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go try to find another Edna. I'm gonna go and try to find another Edna.
You already found it, didn't you?
Where?
I don't know. I'm just saying.
The one that I did find was the one that we have.
Cadillac. Firebird.
Cause I don't wanna die. Chevy. Dad. Ow. Dad. Dad, I might have found our year, but a Chevy. I might have found our year, but a Chevy.
Yeah?
Look.
Ooh,
Do you
see the
it?
Edna.
What?
I see the Edna.
Where?
It's over there.
You actually see it? You see an Edna? Look, isn't that a 50 Chevy right there? Is that a 50 Chevy, Dad? Where do you see the Edna?
Right there, where it says 52 Ford F1. Look, they got another shoebox.
That's what I was pointing to you at.
Oh, I thought you were pointing at the car beside it. That's also a Ford.
I thought that was a Chevy. That's not an Edna. It doesn't look like Edna.
This is a 51. What do you mean it's not an Edna?
It's not the one that ours looks like.
Yeah, it's a 52.
I'm trying to find the one that ours looks
Flathead
like.
V8. But he really hit that hard.
Things are kind of tired.
Hudson Hornet. Isn't that what? Isn't that one of the characters from Cars?
Yeah.
Hudson Hornet.
Who's
What year was he? Do you remember?
29, I think. I think it was 29.
I got some Corvairs.
I think it was a 29, Dad.
29? I think he was newer than that.
It was a 26 or a 29. It was one or the other. Because it said it on his car. Or it said it on his sign. Because didn't he have a little shop or something? Look at that van.
An old bread truck. Look how crusty that thing is.
It's got stuff growing on this thing.
Jeez.
Ow.
Here's the F100 like I used to have, except mine was a short bed. 58 Apache. Another Ranchero. '55 Chevy. It's like the one I've been watching on DeBoss Garage.
Whoa, there's cars all the way back here. Look at that. Ew.
This is the more junkyard section back here where they have the parts cars.
Look at that helmet.
Another Corvair.
See the helmet, Dad?
Yeah. That Volkswagen.
These look like cars that were destroyed. And they got put back here. That car looked like it wrecked. Right here.
Yeah.
That car right there looks like I can drive it. Money. He bought a lot of land. If he got all of this. Look at that wheel. There's a wheel right there. See it?
Yeah.
Mustang or Porsche or whatever.
MG.
That's what you had, right?
The Mustang over there.
I don't see it.
Another Mustang there. Another Mustang there.
Mustang.
Another Mustang back there.
Mustang right here. Or no,
that's a Jaguar.
that ain't no Mustang. What's this? A Camaro? Is this a Camaro?
This?
Yeah.
No, that's I don't know what it is. The Galaxy 500.
Hey, Dad, look at this.
Another
80s
Mustang over
BMW.
there.
Dad, I found a BMW.
Found a BMW?
Yep. Didn't you say you wanted me to get one of these and we'll repair it up and be my first car?
Well, that is not the right kind.
Why? That one? Why? Because it's so tiny.
No, it's just a different kind.
He bought a lot of land.
Yeah.
Do you think he put all of the first cars back here and all of the ones he like just got up there?
I don't know.
Or opposite?
Why'd you let me trip?
I didn't make you trip.
I think you let me trip.
Mustang. Oh, that's growing inside of the car. There's roots in the car.
Yeah.
No, not this one. That one. Like it's in the car.
Oh,
That one's
that tree coming up through the hood there?
Yeah.
The Impala section.
BMW right there. Imagine we saw Venom in here. I think I found the end. Is it a boat?
Oh, watch out for the snake!
Where? Is there actually a snake?
No.
Stop. Stop.
GTO in there. Old GMC.
You got a spider crawling up the back of your leg.
Sweet. Knock him off.
Why me?
Because you're the one who sees it.
I don't want to touch a spider.
That's where they keep the tires.
It's crawling up. It's black. It's very little. Look, Dad, it's on the back of your leg.
Old Le Mans.
Dad, look
Can't
at
even
this.
tell what that is over there.
Watch this, Dad.
Look what I can do.
Ow, I got something in my foot. Ow.
What'd you get in your foot?
Something that was spiky. Is this the end?
There's an old Mustang fender there.
I think I found the first car that was here, Dad.
Like a Boss 302 or something.
Look at that. Look at that, Dad. There's a car in there.
Yeah, it's an old Ford.
There's a golf cart right here. Dad, there's a golf cart.
That's where they keep all the 90s Camaros back there.
Golf cart.
Yeah, I see it.
And they got a little tractor back there. Look at a little tiny tractor.
A lawnmower.
Whatever. Now we gotta work our way back up.
Can't even tell what that is.
Hey,
Yeah, but we can go a different way.
You know we can take some free tires.
Free tires?
Yeah.
I don't feel like these are ones that we want. I like that style Mercedes right there.
How far did we drive from where you picked me up?
I don't know.
Is that a snake? Snake skin.
Really? Where? That's just a hose.
What if you did see snake skin? Would go back?
We'll run like little girls.
Why? But would we actually run back?
Might run away from it.
White walls. White walls.
Yeah.
See them?
Yeah. One there. Another one there.
And another one there. And another one there, Dad. And there's red walls.
You see a red wall?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that old red line.
Are red walls lucky?
No, you just don't see them very often.
Well, I found it first.
There's a big old truck.
And
there.
everybody watching this video will know I found it first because I spotted it.
I'm gonna do some creative editing so nobody will know.
No. No. This way or this way?
I don't think we need to go that way because I think we can see all that from up there. Another Jaguar over there. Carmen Gia.
There's a bus right there.
Yeah. Look at that thing. Part of a Camaro. The Ford bus.
Dad, I'm getting hot.
It's pretty neat looking. It's even got a piano in it.
This? Should I get in there and play it?
Yeah.
Why?
There's a bunch of bees in there.
Oh, is there a nest in there?
I don't know. Maybe. There's some old school buses.
I found my first 3 sweat drops.
Sweat drops?
Yeah, because I can feel them lining on my face because of how hot it is today.
There's a bunch of engines.
Where are we? Are we like all the way in the back? No, because this is the shed, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the shed we were in.
Let's go back to the shed.
63 Ford. It's pretty solid. Oh man, look. I'll show you this. This is the year when they did the unibody. See, look, the bed is part of the body. There's no divide in between. Cool, right?
Mm-hmm. It's sold. Somebody.
They only did that 1 year, I think.
What year?
63.
Come on, Dad. Look at that high wheel car. Dad, look at that high wheel car.
Yeah, it's a Firebird. It says not for sale though.
Like Firebirds are lucky.
It's a shame they still don't have that jail bar up here. I would have liked to have looked at it. He said they sold it.
Was it on a truck?
Look at that super tiny car right there.
Where? I don't see it. Oh. That looks like a tractor.
Maybe. It's a Nerf gun. Careful, you might get shot around here.
Holy cow. And it's even loaded.
Yeah.
Wonder whose it is. There's a beer bottle. I found another Nerf gun.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe they have wars out here.
Well, they got this padded down.
Here's old Jeepster.
It's the exact same thing. It's the
Look at that up there.
Model A.
Oh, it's not a Model A.
Woo! It staked right there. Woo!
Whoa! Look, it's a raccoon right over there.
Where?
He just ran off. See him running away?
That's a raccoon?
Yeah.
I see him. I saw him. I don't see him anymore. He must have crawled under. Did you at least get him on camera?
Maybe. Well, that's what I'm saying.
You're about to step in that water. You did.
53 Citroen.
Told you I saw a camper. Dad, I told you I saw a camper. What's this? You think this works? You think Sexy got it in there?
I don't know. Chevelle 73. Here's another Jeepster. '69 GTO.
Is it a cat?
29 Model A.
What year did Grandpa have?
30.
So this is the one that came out right before his?
Yeah.
It's fun. Dad!
Look at this
Dad,
Model A.
it looks like the Dukes of Hazzard car. That looks like it got remodeled.
Huh?
Looks like it got remodeled.
Box body. Auto tragic. This one's also auto tragic. Man, somebody scratched the crap out of the roof. Well, we did a full lap all the way around the place, so I think we saw pretty much all of it, unless there was just any specific cars that we didn't get too close to. What was your favorite?
I don't know. I don't remember much because there's like 1,000 out here.
Because there were thousands out here.
Yeah.
I don't know, I thought the shoeboxes were kind of neat. Saw quite a few. It's kind of hard to pick just one.
Maybe the Volkswagen van.
You like the Volkswagen van?
You know I like those.
Yeah. Anyway, so thanks to Ron for letting us come check this place out. It was really nice of him to let us wander around the yard, take a video. 4th of July is coming up this week, so we're looking forward to a few days off. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps out a lot. Comment if you want. Let us know if you want to see some more places like this one.
Thanks for watching Adventures with Edna.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.